This is a quick bonus tip, on a short. Because I actually had to go through a hour-long video, just to discover this, uh, bonus tip. Whenever you have a car, fuel efficiency wise. Um, if you clean your air filters regularly, what basically happens is that the air intake, into your intake manifold, it's much more, and that's just creating a greater fuel air ratio inside the pistons. So combustion is better, and that actually results in fuel uh, efficiency, So for the guys with cars, keep your filters clean.